they eat.
They're like, what?
They don't open
Get rid of that, please.
And when they go to chew, it's like with their tongue.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm afraid of that.
Oh, I thought you were going to show us or something.
Okay.
It's like, whoa. Dramatic entrance. Boom. Push right there.
You taste good.
This? What is that supposed to be?
It's like, you taste good.
Oh, the little cleaner.
Oh, little vacuum thing.
Oh, the little, the vacuum.
Let me see.
No.
Ow.
I'm excited for next week.
Nice butcher.
You didn't know that? I never really know.
That's gonna be the best part ever. Look, my uncle's getting the fish.
Look, there's the chickens.
I don't know.